Welcome to Active English Training. My name is Ingrid, and in this video I'm going to describe a photograph step by step to help you structure your picture descriptions well. The picture is about friendship and shows young people helping each other move into a new place. In this picture, you can see 4 young people helping each other move into a new house. They're all standing in the entrance of a house and are carrying boxes and baskets filled with household items. The man in the purple t-shirt with the bun is carrying a large box with cushions and a lamp sticking out, and the woman with dark curly hair in a denim shirt is carrying a basket that holds a toaster and what seems like a kettle and also some white cups. The other man and the woman are both also carrying boxes, and you can see more boxes and a basket on the floor. Everyone is smiling and looking at each other, showing that they really are happy to help with the move and spend time together. They also seem excited for the person or couple moving into such a nice new home. The house seems bright and spacious with high ceilings and a nice wooden floor. The large white front door is open, and in the background you can see green leaves, so there might even be a garden in the front of the house. The 2 men and 2 women all look to be the same age. They might be 2 couples who are close friends, with one couple helping the other move in together, possibly after getting married. This is probably on a weekend, or they may have even taken off a day of work to help with the move. In my opinion, having friends who are willing to help with something like moving house is really special. It shows that friendship is about being there when it matters, that you can count on each other and show up to help. I remember the last time I helped a friend move who lived on the 5th floor of a house without a lift, which was very hard. And I also remember the many times my friends helped me move, and that's priceless.